are about to experience the first ever Battlebots competition that took place August 14th and 15th in 1999. This 17-ton, 48 by 48-foot arena is known as the Battle Box. A competition will take place inside this impenetrable steel battlefield that combines technology, science, creativity, and insanity. The contestants will fight to the death behind 1-inch thick, bulletproof polycarbonate walls. And thanks to this team of mastermind engineers, the audience will be safe. Robot builders from around the world converge to do battle. By Friday afternoon, many of the robots have arrived and been unpacked from duffel bags, crates, U-Hauls, and car trunks so that they can officially check in. Builders set up their temporary workshops in a backstage area affectionately known as the Pit. This is where most builders will spend the majority of their weekend. For the next 72 hours, it will be the busiest machine shop in Southern California. Each robot creator is authorized to assemble a pit crew to help make repairs over the 2-day event. They may have as little as 20 minutes to stabilize the damage and be ready for the next match. The builders anticipate the inevitable. Some robots come out of battle with very little need for repair, while others will sustain significant damage. Charging batteries, making adjustments, sawing, grinding, drilling, and praying for electronic miracles are all in a day's work. They are experts in mechanized combat, each displaying an unrelenting tenacity to achieve the desired outcome by whatever means necessary. Efficiency is rule number 1. They've worked for months, spending hundreds of hours and sometimes thousands of dollars in an unforgiving struggle to create the ultimate fighting machine. Battlebots brings together robot enthusiasts from all around the world. From the streets of North Hollywood to Western Europe, these people are engineers, rocket scientists, movie effects creators, garage tinkerers in their normal lives. But once they step foot into their labs, they are anything but normal. They are driven by creativity and a crave for mechanical destruction. These metal warriors are the symbol of a survival instinct that exists in everyone. The spectators are about to witness something completely unique. A high-energy orgy of mechanical destruction. This is like nothing they've ever experienced before.
Yeah, I'm here to see fighting.
We're going to fight. Hit it hard. I'm not really here to win, to tell you the truth. I'm here to have a good time and to learn something while I built this robot. If I win, it'll be accidental.
When you have a robot that spins this fast and is this heavy, you don't really need much strategy. You just get it up to speed and hit them wherever you want.
My heart's going about 30,000 miles an hour right now.
Doesn't have to be that complex, just gotta bash it, Yeah.
Grab onto part of him, then pick him up off the ground, either flip him over or beat him against the wall of the arena until parts start falling off him.
Up to midnight the night before the shoot, and literally it hadn't been tested. The testing was out in the battlefield, which isn't really the right place. Now we shouldn't have any excuse because we've had months to sort of tinker about with it and get it, working fully. But it's a very complex thing. Getting this thing here through customs was a major nightmare. Imagine what this looks like on an X-ray.
2 hammers. Yeah, thanks.
Key feature that the Tazbot has is really its agility. It's 360 degrees of offense and defense. It's a very strong, very durable robot. I do expect it to do very well. Tazbot's main thing is agility, ability to move in any circumstance. I think I deserve to win, you know, just for making the coolest robot, actually.
Designing the internal components is a challenge that each builder solves in their own unique way.
Real beauty in this robot is that it's very simple.
4 windshield wiper motors,
Steel-braided belts.
2,000-pound super winch. 2 wheelchair motors.
Kawasaki starter motors I picked up surplus.
Car flywheels, garage door springs, gate latches.
Got a 9-ton hydraulic ram in this thing.
Toro 24-volt lawnmower motor.
It has little wheel shields, these little pods, rotate out of the way, so these wheels will work on this side. So they protect it on this side, they rotate out if it gets flipped over.
6.5-pound saw. This is what fire crews use to cut open cars and save people.
we got Barbie from the girl across the street, and we got a stuffed teddy bear for my son.
Magnesium plate that protects all the electronics on a steel frame, and it's covered with carbon fiber on the outside to resist puncture weapons.
There's a pneumatic cylinder underneath here, operates off of CO2. It's the same system they use for paintball guns.
We had to find something light and strong. Fortunately, all over the highway they have these convenient pieces of aluminum bolted right there just for the taking. So we happened to pick up a few of them and built the body. It's T6 aluminum road signs.
I designed it so that I could have it flipped over and it could still run. Both sides would make contact with the ground.
The whole robot's principle is really designed around to beat or flip an opponent.
The hammer comes up like this, full swing, and hits the opponent.
So it's designed to pop up, spin, and then drop on someone, slide single a little bit.
It's meant to tip over other robots. I'll show you how it works.
And it operates by mental telepathy.
The time and effort these competitors put into building each robot is astounding, considering that their creations will most likely be mangled or completely destroyed.
I probably got 1,000 hours in it or more.
Yeah, no, it's all done in sort of like our shed, you know, really low-tech equipment, but just a lot of hours, you know, a lot of time put in to get it to this stage.
A lot of time and not a lot of sleep at all.
Been working on it for like a year and a half, on and off.
Since yesterday. The robot was finished yesterday morning before we brought it to the show.
A lot of evenings and weekends, let's just say that. I spend way too long on this not to win.
It's fun. I like building stuff. You know, my girlfriend doesn't understand either. You know, I burn myself, I cut myself, I'm always in pain. I stay up too late, I spend too much money. You know, same old, it's a hobby. I sold my car to buy this, and I loved my car.
Built for destruction, these powerful machines have the potential to cause serious injury. Therefore, a strict set of rules are in place to ensure the safety of all participants and spectators. All projectile weapons must be tethered. Liquids or chemical attacks are not permitted. Explosives or electrical weapons are forbidden. Use of radio jamming or visual obstruction is strictly prohibited. Ropes, nets, adhesives, or other entanglements are not allowed. All contestants must stay within the limits of specific weight categories and are required to pass a complete safety inspection. All robots must weigh in. From there, they will be ranked as either a lightweight, middleweight, or heavyweight. Officials will make sure that they conform to the rules and are safe when outside the battle box. This is a tense moment for most builders. If one rule is broken, they may have to completely redesign their robot. While everyone strives to maintain the safety of their robot, minor accidents sometimes occur.
I was refilling the air tank with CO2 and the connector broke off. That gave me a little scare.
For even the mightiest contestant, there is an ever-present threat, the arena itself. Inside the battle box, several deadly hazards are poised to attack any misguided robots. A warrior with real strategy will drag an opponent to a trap and let the arena do the rest. In this kill or be killed competition, a few moments could be the difference between winning a trophy or going home with a box of scrap metal.
It's an interesting thing doing these things because on one level you really want to beat everybody, you know, and you want to win. I mean, that's just sort of a natural human thing. But there's a lot of camaraderie that goes on with this, and everybody's friendly, everybody's sharing tools, everybody's interested in everybody else's robot.
I think I can win because I think I've got the best robot of anybody.
You know, some of the people here, very, very nice people. Everybody helps each other out. Very, very good community.
We're here to win. So second place is first loser.
His weaknesses? Hopefully us.
So my nose was towards the robot, and then I just make it go as fast as it could go. Just stay away from his spikes and his chainsaw thing and smack into him hard. And I got this.
robot parts flying all over the place.
Oh, that was brutal. That was absolutely brutal.
It's still running. It's probably okay. I just got to go and unbend a little metal. And another box of Band-Aids. It'll be fine.
There it is. The smell of defeat.
There's a lot wrong on the surface, but deep down in her heart, she's as strong as ever.
As long as it keeps running, I don't care what it looks like.
This is a high-anxiety moment for the competitors. They've spent months building their robots, and now they must prove their driving skills. They manipulate their creations with multi-channel radio transmitters, where one small slip of the thumb could send their robot to an early grave.
And I'm gonna kick his butt.
Who knows what'll happen after that? I've only tested it out a couple of times.
They're gonna have to have a broom to pick up all the pieces.
Oh yeah, this is fun. Most addictive hobby I've ever had.
Yeah, it's great.
Had a lot of fun, yeah. A lot of fun.
Oh yeah, it's a great time. Can't wait to do it again.
Yeah, it was fun. It was pretty good. It was better than I thought it'd be.
Yeah, yeah, it's exciting.
And I've got so much adrenaline in me right now, I can hardly breathe.
bashed him pretty good at least a couple of times, but, you know, he slammed us pretty good, obviously, a couple of times, too. That was pretty fun, you know?
Yeah. Whoa. We had to replace our entire drivetrain in about 7 minutes. It includes 4 motors and 4 batteries.
I know I smoked the motor here, though.
Sucks. Really sucks.
We're going to use a lot of duct tape, a grinder, and a welder, and a hammer, large hammer. And we will fix it. It will be running again today.
The competition is over now, and the builders can relax. Many have seen their creations perish in battle, but others may celebrate their victory.
Yes!
Here are your Battlebots champions. For Best Engineering, Carlo Bertocchini's Biohazard. For Best Driver, John Reed and Dominic Parkinson's Kilohertz. The most aggressive robot goes to Jim Smentowski's Nightmare. And the funniest robot to Lisa Winner and Tentamushi. Finally, the coolest robot award goes to Mark Satrakian's Mechadon. And here are your Battlebots Grand Champions. In the lightweight division, Jonathan Ritter's Ziggo. In the middleweight division, Derek Young's Son of Smashy. And in the heavyweight division, Carlo Bertocchini's Biohazard. At the end of the event, all the robots that survived may compete in a giant free-for-all rumble within their weight class. Here are your Rumble winners. In the lightweight division, Charles Steinkuhler's Hammerhead. In the middleweights, Grant Imahara's Dead Blow. And in the heavyweights, Ian Lewis and Simon Scott's Razor.
Incredible, incredible. This is the happiest moment of my life. Well, right close to it. It's pretty good.
It's worth it just to be here, you know. I'm just here to have fun, and I wanted just to have a powerful robot, so this is just icing on the cake, you know.
Bonafide nut.
It's not the size of the robot, it's the size of the fight in it, man.
It's the size of the nuts, I believe.
That's right, yeah.
Absolutely.
We got a big one here.
I think this is the beginning of a new heavyweight robot right here.
Felt great to win.
Means a lot of money in my pocket. Yeah, I'm really happy. I needed the money pretty bad. Sold my car to come here, and it's just been a rush effort for me, and to have this happen is just awesome.